Hi guys, welcome to my page again. Thank you for subscribing, liking, commenting, telling a friend and so forth and so forth. On this video we are going to be looking at on Canada Forum, the negative, especially looking at off and so help us. This one is also a very confusing one. I know that it twists the brain a little when it comes to the exams, alright? I have a few problems with these, but hopefully after this video we'll have this sorted out, alright? Remember these ones? Dealing with the Canada Forum, right? Remember that no is already a double negative. So when you use them, when you see them, they're already double negative. And no ni is added to the end. Like our other videos, where we work with the Canada Forum, where we have our first ni, and then at the end, the other ni. This one, there is no ni's, no, and no is already a double negative. Alright? So let's look at that. I've got two sentences here. It's a very quick video just to explain fast and show you how to do this. I'm sure after this one example, you'll have an idea of how to use them. Alright. You normally find them like this on your question paper. Then you have to change them to the negative. Right? Off and off means either or. So real us means both. Then in the negative, neither nor. And both here it means neither. Right? Of Jan, of Gert. Of Jan, of Gert is schouder. Right? We're going to put it in the negative. Then using our negative, noch Jan, noch Gert as schouder. Right? You see how they work? Just replace of of, noch, and noch. Right. This one, so we have Jan as hair, as skull. So, and noch Jan, noch hair, as skull. Right. So we have Jan as hair, as skull. So you can find these two forms, then use noch. There is noch and noch, there is noch and noch, right? Either and either. So wer Jan as hair, as skull, noch Jan, noch hair, as skull. Of Jan, of hair, as skull. Noch Jan, noch hair, as skull. Alright. Very quick way of explaining this one. You can download the video, share it, tell a friend. Please subscribe to my channel. You can download this video, check it out for later, and look up some other sentences as well, where you can have more practice and so forth. Alright? Thank you for subscribing.